Okay, everybody, I'm going to be dropping some Legend content videos really soon. I just dropped them all off to the editor for him to splice and put together. I got at least a dozen podcasts coming and some content about this car behind me. We all know it as my Turbo Legend, the build that is legendary at this point. I mean, dear God, it's been going on for years and years and years, and it's kind of completed. At least it runs, right? That's got to be the running joke. So, that being said, I'm going to be doing a very special video on this coming up. I'd like to hear from you guys specifically. If you can comment down below, what do you want to know about this car? What do you want to know about the years of ownership that I got? I mean, I can't interview myself basically, and nobody can interview me about this car because they're not knowledgeable about either the platform or modifications. Like, I could jump on here with Tyson, and Tyson would ask me a bunch of stuff about Legends, but nothing about the performance. So unless you can figure out somebody that's a really good person to ask me about performance and Legends, I got nothing. So drop your comments down below. Things you want to know about the car, the build, myself, anything dealing with this whole debacle. That being said, like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see what I come up with. Stay tuned. Stay safe.